In the midst of an escalation of violence in Manipur, there was an important security review meeting today, and in fact a new strategy is being worked out to control violence in this strife-torn state. In fact, new SOPs for security forces, more deployment of central forces are critical part of this strategy. Let me go across to my colleague Ratnadeep, who has been reporting on this story and who has more details on this.
We had a security review meeting, and in this security review meeting, we reviewed the security of all the districts and Imphal city. We discussed the issues threadbare with all the districts, along with DCs and SPs, and we noted points of their concern, which we will be addressing. We are distributing forces to protect the life and properties of the citizens and vulnerable areas and vulnerable points. All these will be covered within a few days. We had a security review meeting.
Ratnadeep, my colleague, joins us. Ratnadeep, a few days ago, Centre did announce that 50 fresh companies of the CAPF would be deployed in Manipur. Tell us about the new strategy that is being worked upon.
That's right. This review meeting which took place this evening is very crucial, given the fact that this comes after last week's violence that had escalated. There were deaths, there were shootout between militants and security forces, and today the security advisor to Manipur, Mr. Kuldeep Singh, who is a former DG of CRPF, he chairs the Unified Command, which has the state forces, the state police, the central forces, the central paramilitary forces, as well as the army, the Assam Rifles. So the Unified Command today reviewed the security arrangement, and a new SOP has been formulated, which includes the area domination exercise, the operation, as well as the joint operation. Now they have decided that in every district there will be a coordination cell that will coordinate between all the security forces operating in that area. There will be joint control rooms. So in joint control rooms you will have people from the Manipur police, the paramilitary forces, as well as army. As well, Centre has decided to send another 90 companies of security forces to Manipur. That would make the presence of at least 288 companies of central forces in Manipur, and in fact the forces are coming in. So those forces will be used for area domination. The priority at this moment is to make sure that there is no further loss of life and properties of common people, of citizens, so that normal life does not get affected. And then obviously there are priorities in terms of, as more forces reach in, the offensive operations, the operations against the armed groups, the militant groups, as well as the armed people who have been targeting innocent citizens in different areas, particularly the vulnerable stretches like Ziribam and like the border areas between the valley region and the hill region. In those areas, operation will be launched. These are the details which have emerged out of the review meeting. We played out that soundbite of Mr. Kuldeep Singh, the security advisor, clearly saying that there is a new strategy which has been put in place, which is to have more coordination between the forces which are there on ground zero as a part of the Unified Command, bring in more force for not only operations to find out militants who are targeting citizens and also the armed group, but also to make sure that there are enough security forces present to tackle public unrest, as well as attacks that we have seen, the sporadic violence that we have seen in Manipur in the past couple of months. And for that, now the domination of security forces is very important, and therefore they are stretching upon the coordination. 32 people have been arrested so far in connection to the recent incidents of violence, as well as public unrest in the
being
Imphal
worked
Valley.
out
So
for the state of Manipur, where there has been escalating violence. Thank you, Ratnadeep, for reporting on that important story.